Hi everyone, we make this video is for our English assignment and we get the title nature. So we decide to talk about the nature of Northern University of Malaysia, UUM. So let's go ahead and start the video. Now we are at Bukit Kaji in Sintok Kedah. We are on the way to the main entrance of UUM. After we pass this roundabout, you will see the entrance. So here's the entrance. Let's go ahead to explore the nature of UUM. The greenery of UUM campus, which showcases the heritage of flora and fauna, can be seen as a means of expanding the public's knowledge about the country nature treasure found in Sintok. Talking about green forests, I have learned that UUM is also one of the top green universities in the world. According to the UI Green Matrix World University Ranking 2015, UUM is ranked 45 place and second in Malaysia. This is not surprising given its location in the middle of Sintok Forest. The tagline, University in a Green Forest, is not a joke after all. UUM had been combined the flora and fauna into one to make the campus more greener and connected to the nature. This makes the students in the UUM can study in a comfortable and relaxable way. So now we will explore the fauna in this campus. So here we are. Here's the ostrich. Let's go ahead and get in here. Wow! It makes you feel amazing when you are near to it. So now I will let my friend to have an explanation on it.
Okay, here is one of the most wonderful place in University Utara Malaysia, UUM. That is ostrich cage. Inside this cage have 3 ostrich. Its scientific name called Camelus. The ostrich is the largest flightless bird in the world. It can grow up to 2.5 meters in height. The male ostrich has black and white plumage while the female has brown plumage tinged with grey. The ostrich has a neck that stretches to a length between 1.8 and 2.75 meters and a large pair of eyes that measure almost 5 centimeters across, thus enabling it to detect the threat of predators from long distance. An ostrich has a weight between 65 and 130 kilograms. However, male ostriches can weigh up to 150 kilograms.
Such experience can indeed be experienced in Sintok Forest, where lake nearby provides a quiet and cozy atmosphere. They will definitely give you the most beautiful moments of the nature lovers who go there. Now we are at the lake in UUM, and I will let my friend to introduce this destination to you all.
It is a hill lake in the UUM, which is located behind Inasis Petronas. The lake is flickering like crater on the surface. There is the natural scene around the lake with the trees. The aroma of the forest is great because of the natural environment with no pollution. Therefore, you can see some of the gooses swimming on the lake. The lake shows a natural habit. Students in UUM will get a chance to interact with the nature. It will help you to reduce your stress and enjoy the nature.
After this, we are going to the deer park. Let's go! Now we are at the deer park. UUM Deer Park is 1 acre enclosure and is home more than 70 deers. Let's take a look of those deers. Pretty cute, right?
Now we reach one of the beautiful lakes in UUM. This lake is different compared to other lakes in UUM. This is because this lake is only lake that have a group of swans. They have different color of shorn, for example, white, grey, brown, black and pink. And the lake is surrounded by a lot of trees and flowers. The place also very clean because they have some workers stay here and take care of the shore every day. Besides that, this area really have a nice view and fresh air. Come to here, we feel very relaxed.
UUM also built some stables to raise horses. There are some of the horses in different color, yellow, harmless and obedient. Moreover, they are easily to differentiate because they have their own name. You can get close with the horses and interact with them. Furthermore, you can also have a horse riding training with the lower cost. It's worth because you can try to ride the horse strolling in the UUM. It's a different experience and you will take on it.
Stunning panoramic view with pretty gardens dotting the forest backdrop provides the visitors with a feel of being in the forest, reserved home to many untouched treasures. This is our last destination today, and it is UN Fountain. The UN Fountain near to the library and chancellery. In the night, the fountain will switch on with light colors. It's pretty cool. But now, we're in the afternoon, so this makes us feel more disappointed and regret. Around it, there are many plants and trees to make the destination more beautiful and greener. There are many people come and take a photo with it, so this makes it become a symbol in the campus. That's all of our introduction and the explanation about the name. We are now on the way out of the campus. The Sintok campus is seriously beautiful, and we are still exploring this thick jungle. In a nutshell, we hope you all enjoy the video and have a nice day. Goodbye.